Camarines Sur Representative Leni Robredo denies having agreed to be the running mate of Liberal Party standard-bearer Mar Rojas in the 2016 elections. According to Robredo, she has decided to seek re-election as member of the House of Representatives. This report by Rocky Ignacio.
President Aquino expressed his admiration to Leni Robredo, the widow of late Secretary Jesse Robredo. The president described Leni as a dedicated member of Congress.
Nabibilib nga po ako sa tatag na ipinakita at ipinapakita ni Leni at ni Aika, Tricia at Jillian. Alam ko kung gaano kabigat na pasanin ang mawalan ng haligi ng tahanan. Nung pumanaw ang aking ama, nawala na rin ang aming sentro, ang aming pinuno. Maagam kung paano ipagpapatuloy ang pag-akbang ng mawala na ang aming gabay.
President Aquino said this during the third death anniversary of Jesse Robredo that became meaningful with reports that Leni Robredo is in the list of the administration party as one of possible running mates of DILG and Presidential Standard-Bearer Secretary Mar Rojas in 2016 elections. But Robredo explained seeking for a higher position is not an option at this time.
Re-election. Pero hanggang ngayon, ano pa naman ako, parang tinatansya kung posible yung Senado. Siyempre, very humbling sa akin kasi para sa akin na parang napakaliit ko naman para i-consider sa isang posisyon na napakalaki.
Meanwhile, Rojas had confirmed his meeting with Senator Grace Poe but refused to comment on what transpired during their meeting. Rojas said the reports that Poe allegedly confronted Rojas as behind negative issues against her.
Oo, nakumpirma ko kahapon na nag-usap nga kami ni Senadora Grace. Ayon sa aming napagkasunduan ay hindi muna kami magbibitiw ng mga detalye tungkol sa mga napag-usapan. At siguro sa amin na muna kung ano itong mga bagay na ito.
But when asked if he is still willing to wait for Poe's decision, Rojas said he respects the senator's opinions and plans. He just wants to make sure that he will have a partner to continue the straight path of governance.
Hindi naman sa pag-iintay pero may paanyaya, may imbitasyon tayo sa kanya at ginagalang natin yan. Ayon sa kanya, hindi pa siya handa na magdesisyon. So, ginagalang po natin.
Hindi pa rin po kayo maghintay? Hanggang kailan po?
Wala, of course, siya yung ating inanyayahan. Nirerespeto natin yan. Ganun pa man, ay may tungkulin din po ako sa koalisyon, sa Pangulo, sa lahat na naniniwala sa daang matuwid na magbuklod ng isang malakas na ticket at malakas na kandidatura para nga ipagpatuloy natin, para ipaglaban natin itong daang matuwid.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.